In this lecture, we will discuss about main components of AI management system. Components of ISO IEC 42001. It has basically two main components, that is 10 clauses and 4 annex, that is Annex A, B, C and D. Let us first understand about clauses. Clause 1, 2 and 3 gives the basic idea about the AI management system, that is scope, references and terms and definition. Whereas clause number 4 to clause number 10 specifies certain requirements and actionables that an organization need to follow to comply with AI management system. We will discuss in detail about how to implement each clause in our subsequent lectures. Let us now discuss Annex. Annex A is a list of controls that organization can adopt to manage their AI related risk. Annex B provides guidance on how to implement the controls mentioned in Annex A. Annex C helps the organization to understand the potential objectives for AI management and the risks involved. And finally, Annex D. It provides sector-specific guidance on applying AI management principles. So, what is important for us from implementing perspective is clause number 4 to clause number 10 and Annex A controls. Let us now understand the next question, whether it is mandatory to implement all the clauses and Annex A controls. Let us first understand about clauses. So, if an organization need to be certified as ISO 42001, then these clauses are mandatory. We need to comply with all the requirements of the clauses. Now let us understand about Annex A controls. Annex A control depends on applicability. If certain Annex A controls are not applicable to the organization, then that can be excluded. However, there should be a valid justification for inclusion as well as exclusion. Justification to be documented in statement of applicability. We will discuss in detail about statement of applicability in our subsequent lectures. You may like to refer our template of statement of applicability and modify according to your requirement. You can download the same as template number 1 from resource section of the Udemy. That's all for this lecture. In our next lecture, we will discuss in detail about clause 1 to clause 10 of AI management system. Thanks for watching.